Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for joining us here for the annual Connoisseur's Dinner.
Welcome, one and all.
The WPSU Connoisseur's Dinner and Auction is the longest-running and most successful fundraising event supporting WPSU's essential local services to the community. For 28 years, thousands of loyal donors and businesses have looked forward to a yearly celebration of global cuisine, arts, culture, and WPSU. This event has been a showcase of wonderful food, wine, and stories from celebrity chefs.
They said, Bob, come on, we've got to do a demo, a cocktail party, hors d'oeuvres, and dinner for $350. My first response was, what?
On Saturday, February 6th, the tradition continues. The annual Connoisseur's Dinner and Auction will be transformed into a virtual event featuring chefs Nick Stellino, Marianne Esposito, Michael Solomonov, Paul Brooke Taylor, and a fabulous online auction. And to get ready for the Connoisseur's Dinner, WPSU will present a virtual Chef's Table event on Friday, January 29th, with chefs from Refarm Cafe at Windswept and Pine Grove Hall, demonstrating the preparation of a few of the dishes from the four-course meals they have designed to celebrate WPSU's virtual Connoisseur's Dinner. These special dinners can be purchased in advance and picked up at the respective restaurants on the afternoon of February 6th. These events are free and open to the public and benefit WPSU TV local services and engagement. There's still time to register for the virtual Connoisseur's Dinner and Auction, bid on the auction items, join the cooking demonstration, and reserve your exclusive dinners. For more information and to register for all of the events, visit WPSU.org/condinner.